How to log out of Facebook on all devices at once. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply make sure that you have proper connection on your device as well. Now as I have checked on your connection, simply tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and select on the gear icon. This will lead you to settings and privacy. So tap on see more in account center. Now scroll down and here you can see different options. So tap on connected experiences and tap on view all. So here you can see there's no option over here to see where you are logged in. So you can simply tap on go back and you can simply tap on the option of password and security. Here you'll be able to see the option of where you are logged in. So tap on it. Tap on your profile. And here you'll be able to see all the devices that you are logged in right now. So if you want to log out of Facebook on all devices, simply select on the devices, tap on select devices to log out, tap on the devices and simply tap on logout. Tap on logout again. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.